Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a free website with free subdomain and hosting. So you can go here and type InfinityFree and you will get a free cPanel so that you can easily use all of the web hosting features. You can go and click on register button. So you can create a free account. You can also sign up with Google. And now let me select one of my Gmail account, scroll down, click on continue button, and now you need to create a free account. You can go here, then you need to select a package, so you will get a 5 GB disk space. So this one is the free, and now you need to verify this one. After that you can add here subdomain. You can also get a custom domain, so that will cost you $10 to $12. So for example, here I want to add subdomain name enable website design. Then you can select, so let me go with this one, and after that click on check availability, then scroll down, and here you can add your account label. For example, let me add here enable website design. Account username, that will be automatically generated. Here you can add some password, then scroll down, and here you can approve, then click on create account. Okay, now this is creating a web hosting account, and this one is the username, and now account is created. So here you can see control panel. You can go and install WordPress. You can also install WordPress from here. Simply you can go to script installer, and then you need to install this one WordPress, and here you can select the website. Here you can add username, let me add here, and here you can add password. Make sure that you are adding a stronger password. Then here you can add your email, and here you can add site name. For example, let me add here enable website design, and here add tagline. You can also enable multi-site. Scroll down, and here you can select website language. Then you can also select a free WordPress theme from here. Click on install button. So now it will take few seconds. After that, WordPress will be installed in your free subdomain. Okay, now you can visit your website from here, and if you want to log in into your website, then you can add wp-admin, then press enter, and here you can add username and password, then press enter, and now here you can see in WordPress dashboard. If you want to install a free WordPress theme, you can go here, then click on add theme, scroll down, and here you can use WordPress theme library to install any of the themes for free. You can install, so I can recommend you this theme. And now here you can also install a plugin, so that's called Astra Starter Templates. You can also go from here. Let's get started with starter templates. and you can also find this plugin in the WordPress plugin library. And this plugin comes with different pre-built websites. Here you can see these are different design layouts that you can easily use, and you can also use AI website builder to design your website. So by default, selected AI website builder. You can select Elementor and then scroll down. So here you can add any of the website design, and here you can search for different categories. For example, I want to search for blog, this one, and here you can see these are the premium layouts. So you can find out free layouts. So let's go with this blog design, and here you can add the logo file, then you can select the font family, and here you can select the color scheme, then click on continue button, scroll down. Again you can skip this step, and here you can add your name, then add your email, and here you can select your expertise, then you can accept these terms and conditions, click on submit and build my website. So you need to wait for a few seconds. It will install all of the required plugins, and you will get a website. So after that you can easily edit your content, including text and images. Okay, still it is 31% complete. It should be 100% complete. And now let's view this website. And here you can see that's looking good. So if you want to edit any of the content, then you can simply go and click on edit with Elementor. And if you want to change this logo and anything, then you can go to theme customizer, and you can easily change this logo as well as site title. Then you can scroll down. You can also edit this footer from the theme customizer.